This world you're living in is rubbish. Wallahi, it's rubbish. Rasulullah is walking in the marketplace. Live the moment, live the moment. Rasulullah is with his Sahaba. Picks up a dead goat, a carcass, stinking, rotting, flies around it. So he picks it up by its ear with araf. He looks to his Sahaba, he says, who will buy this off me for 1 dirham? 1 dirham, who will buy it off me? So the Sahaba, Ya Rasulullah, what are we going to do with that? He says, who will take it off me? Ya akhi, don't pay, take it for free. Have it for free. I said, Ya Rasulullah, even if it was alive, it's a defected goat. Now it's dead. And it stinks and it reeks and you want me to take it? He says to him, by Allah, this is your Habib, listen to the words of your Prophet. He says, by Allah, this world and what it contains is less in the eyes of Allah than this dead carcass is to you. And we've left our ummah, we're chasing after the little luxuries of this world. Go and see the condition. My brothers, this is your responsibility. Your Habib, your Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam used to cry the nights. Why? Why would you cry the nights, Ya Rasulullah, when Al-Maqam Al-Mahmud was given to you anyway? You're already going straight to paradise. He cried the nights for you and I. He cried the nights because he's seen these days.